ready when you receive the machine. Please connect these plugs wires in the corresponding positions. For the machine frame, the position of this tray and tripod is fixed with 2 screws. And here is also a screws to fix. It is very simple. Now for the robot hand, to save packing volume, we lower it and turn to the table. We loosen our screws on this pillar. Then we loosen this 8mm screw. Turn it to the table side and lock in. So you need to turn back the pillar. Adjust the height back. Then lock in this pillar with our screws. Now it's assembled. You can check tutorial video for operation.